Hi guys, it's Rockin' Robin. If you're planning a trip to the Sun Coast, you know that location is everything. Today we're checking into the Homewood Suites by Hilton Sarasota Lakewood Ranch. It's right in the heart of one of Florida's fastest growing communities. And whether you're here for a weekend or an extended stay, this place feels less like a hotel and more like a high-end apartment. So let's head inside. This is the registration area, and there is definitely some places to sit. If you want to explore the area a little more, bikes are free. Take one and ride around. So now we're going to show you the hallway, and look how beautiful everything is. And just this isn't the rooms. This is the hallway to the rooms. That was just near the registration area. We are going to take you to our room and show it to you in a few minutes, but I wanted you to take a look out the window here so you could see the pool. And we're going to show that, of course, that whole area to you in much more depth in a few minutes. Here are a look at the elevators. You don't need any special cards to get in. And we are going to walk towards our room. I wanted to show you that there is ice machine. Ours, we were lucky, was right near the room, but there is ice, and most places will have a refrigerator if you need ice as well. So let's go in. So every room is a suite, meaning you have a full kitchen. We're talking a full-size fridge, 2-burner stove, and even a dishwasher. If you're like me and want to save a little money by cooking, or just need a place to put your leftovers, this is a lifesaver. Here is a coffee maker, but there is also coffee downstairs. And here is the stove. There are plenty of plates and other dishware, but if you need something, you can always call downstairs and they will definitely bring you something up, just in case they're missing something. But they have quite a bit there. Even the toaster, there it is in the cabinet. So here is a little table with chairs and a telephone, enough for 2 people to sit and have dinner, lunch, or breakfast, whatever you want. And here is the chair, which I believe the sofa pulls out into another bed. I'm not positive, but I think so. And here is the television, some place to store your clothes, and of course the bed. There's the bed. Look at that nice picture behind it. Very, very pretty. And there is a fan. And let's take a closer look at the rest of this room. A nice little lamp and some places to charge your phone, which is always important. And they do have it on both sides, and they also have another chair in case someone wants to sit. Pretty nice. So here is the bathroom, and it's very big. I believe that we have a wheelchair accessible bathroom for some reason. It's very, very large. You can see look at all the hangers to hold yourself up, and very good. And there is several different water pressures and things, and you can do a handheld if you want. Lots of towels. So a very nice bathroom, and of course they give you hand lotion and body lotion and shampoo and conditioner and soap and Kleenex, everything that you possibly could need when you are in a bathroom, but it's very nice. So yeah, I really liked the bathroom. I liked everything about this hotel. It was really seemed very fancy. It was just very, very nice. Now we're going to take a look out the window, and you can see, I love the shades the way they are. And we are on a third floor, and there it opens up, and you can see some of the restaurants right in the basic plaza. Great places to eat if you need to. So now we're going to go back downstairs because I want to show you breakfast. A few days, and every day it was a little bit different. On this day they had what looked to me like kielbasa, and they also had some red potatoes. They always have this little tortilla or taco bar. They have some eggs over here, some scrambled eggs. One day for us they had bacon, that was some kind of beef. One day for us they had bacon, and they had ham and cheese omelets. So there's always a variety, but they always have the coffee, and coffee is available 24/7. There are waffles, cereals, and several other things that you might want to eat. There's a lot of different kinds of breads. Here is some oatmeal. Let's take a look at that. Looks pretty good right there. And I had like a bagel one day and a piece of toast another day. And you know, there's a variety, wheat toast and white toast, and there's some muffins in there, and there's an English muffin. You just put them in this little thing right here and they will cook for you. There's several different kinds of drinks: orange juice, iced tea, some kind of guava drink. Here's some yogurts. Sometimes they have cranberry juice. There are different kinds of fruits. And if your kids like cereals, or maybe you do, they have a variety of those as well. Well, here is the seating area. You can see it's quite big, and it's right next to, of course, where the registration is. So now let's head to the fitness center and check that out. Well, you have to use your card to get in. It's very clean, and there is quite a bit of equipment and televisions and everything you're going to need. Here is the laundry room. Not too big, just a couple washers and a couple dryers. And it cost $3 right there to get your wash done. So now we're going to head out to the pool area and see what that's all about, because you know, you want to use the pool. And you can see a little bit to the left, it's a really nice place to sit and relax. And I believe there is a little place where you can have a little fire and keep warm if you need to. And there's also barbecue, but I'll show you that after. This is the pool. And if you want to get a tan or you want to use an umbrella, you can. You can also sit under those if you wish. It's a nice pool. It's not huge, but it's not small either. And it goes up to 5.5 feet. The one area is great for children. It's a very nice pool. It was very clean. They do not come and give you drinks, or you can't buy drinks there. Bring whatever it is you want to eat or drink on your own. But we'll go to the end and look at some of the chairs. And there's a few more things I want to show you out here, because I like this place and I did spend an afternoon here. And it was very enjoyable. And look, you can see the hotel right there. Very, very nice. Here are the towels for the pool. I wanted to show you out here a little bit more because, you know, you might want to spend some time out here. And I also wanted to tell you that there's something unique at this hotel. They have a self-serve beer and wine wall, and it is across from where you have breakfast. So that's kind of interesting. You pay by the ounce. You know, it's just so interesting the things that they have here. And on Wednesdays here, they have a manager's reception for some evening socials. And you can have things like, we had hors d'oeuvres. We had different kinds of meats and crackers and cheeses. It's very, very nice. And over here, they have a small basketball court. And if you're traveling with pets, it is pet friendly. The whole family can enjoy comfort and convenience. Have you stayed here before? Let me know in the comments. I thought this was a fabulous place. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our videos.